A day for the history books. Former President Donald Trump sitting down in a courtroom as a defendant on a criminal trial. His opening statements got underway today.
Yeah, actually, if convicted, he faces anywhere from probation to 4 years behind bars. Pix 11's Jay Dow was inside the courtroom and joins us live outside the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse with more on this, Jay.
Ernie and Candice, court wrapped up early today, about 30 minutes into the direct examination of the first witness, David Pecker, the former head of the company that runs the National Enquirer. One of the jurors had a toothache and a dentist appointment. That's why court wrapped up early. But before then, jurors were alert. They were paying attention. They asked for pens and pad. They were taking detailed notes during the opening statements. Monday morning's proceedings began like any other case being tried inside Manhattan Criminal Court.
Donald, where's Melania?
Former president and criminal defendant Donald Trump appearing for opening statements, a first in our nation's history. Prosecutor Joshua Steinglass getting his first opportunity to frame the case in front of a jury. Quote, "This case is about a criminal conspiracy and a cover-up. The defendant, Donald Trump, orchestrated a criminal scheme to disrupt the 2016 presidential election. Then he lied by covering it up with these business records over and over again." The prosecutorial theme may be election interference, but its legal case is built on 34 counts of a straightforward charge, falsifying business records, specifically allegedly falsified invoices, ledger entries, and payment checks used to cover up former Trump fixer Michael Cohen's hush money payments to 3 people who claimed to have damaging information against the then president. That includes a $130,000 payment to porn star Stormy Daniels weeks before the 2016 presidential election. During his opening statement, defense attorney Todd Blanche did not deny the payments or Mr. Trump's conduct, but instead characterized the payments as legitimate legal expenses and, quote, business as usual. Quote, "I have a spoiler alert. There's nothing wrong with trying to influence an election. It's called democracy. There is nothing wrong or illegal about entering into an NDA, period." Following Monday's opening session of this historic trial, Mr. Trump once again took issue with being taken off the presidential campaign trail and Judge Juan Merchan.
I should be in Georgia now. I should be in Florida now. I should be in a lot of different places right now campaigning, and I'm sitting here. And this will go on for a long time. It's very unfair. The judge is conflicted, as you know.
Judge Merchan holding a hearing first thing tomorrow morning to address what you just heard, whether or not Mr. Trump has violated a gag order. He also laid out clear guardrails in the event that Mr. Trump decides to testify in his own defense, and prosecutors will be able to bring up previous cases that Mr. Trump has lost. We're live in front of Manhattan Criminal Court this evening. Jay Dow, Pix 11 News.